Hello children. Today our lesson is be verbs. Be verbs. Yes, now look at these sentences. Yes, shall we read them? I am green. She is tall. They are passing the boat. He is happy. It is a beautiful fish. Naduni is a fat girl. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. Yes, now, yes, these are the be verbs. These are the be verbs. Here, am, is, are. Am, is, are. These are the be verbs. In as a grade 5 students, you have to learn these be verbs. Am, is, are. Yes. Now, look. We can move to the next slide. Yes, here. Can you read? Yes. Am is used with I. Am is used with I. I. We use am only with I. We use am only with I. මේ I කියන එක තියෙනව නේද? ඒකේ I කියන subject එක විතරයි අපි am කියන be verb එක නේද? be verb එක use කරන්නේ. am කියන be verb එක use කරන්නේ. I එක විතරයි. We use am only with I. Okay. Yes. Now again, previous we can go to previous slide. Am is a be verb. Am is a be verb. Yes. This am is used only with I. This am is used only with I. I එක විතරයි am use කරන්නේ. Yes. Now we can move to next slide. Here we use be verb is with singular nouns. Yes. Now here again we can move to the previous slide. Here is also a be verb. Is also a be verb. Is the be verb is used only with singular noun. Singular noun. Singular noun. Yes, singular nouns means එක වචන. ඒක වචන එක විතරයි අපි is කියන be verb එක use කරන්නේ. is කියන be verb එක use කරන්නේ singular nouns එක විතරයි. Now, move to next slide. We use the be verbs are with plural nouns. We use the be verbs are with plural nouns. Yes. Here again, we also use the be verbs are with you. දැන් මෙතන අපි කියනවා we කියන්නේ this yes I is the yes I is a be verb. Here I is also a be verb. Yes, may be verb එක use කරන්නේ plural nouns. Plural බහුවචන නාම පද එක තමයි. නේද? Yes. Plural nouns. ඒ වගේම අපේ slide එකේ තිබුණ තව කතන්දරයක් නේද? Hi. We also use the be verbs are with you. You means ඔබ. ගොඩ දෙනෙකුට ඔබලා එහෙමත් කියනවා නේද? You තනියෙන් ගත්තත් අපිට පේන්නේ ඒක නිකන් එක වචන වගේ ඔබ නේද? නමුත් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලදී youth ගන්නේ බහුවචන විදියට නේද? ඒ නිසා so we use be verb are with you and plural nouns. එහෙනම් you ටත් අපි use කරන්නේ be verb එක තමයි are. ඒ වගේම plural nouns නේද? They, we, cats, dogs නේද? ඒ වගේ plural ඒවටත් අපි use කරන්නේ are කියන be verb එක. Yes, now look at this slide. Here, yes, now you have to mention the correct be verbs. Yes, now here I. Yes, be. What is the be verb? Am. I එක්ක එන්න ඕන, මෙතන එන්න ඕන am. Yes, Shenuri. It is a name of a girl. So this means singular. Singular noun. Nama. Shenuri. Yes. Be verb. Yes, is. Tree. Singular. Yes. Is. Girls. Plural. Girls. The S girls, not girl. Girls. It's also plural. So, what's the be verb? Are. He. Singular. Yes, here is. She. Singular or plural? Singular. Yes. Is. They. Is it plural or is it singular? Yes, plural. Are. We is also plural noun. So, are. You. අපි you කියන එක ඔබ වුණත් ඔබලා වුණත් කොහොම වුණත් අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලදී plural ගන්නට ගන්නෙ නේද? එහෙනම් youth එක්ක එන්නේ be verb එක are. It singular, so is. Yes, again now we have discussed be verbs am, is, are. Am, is, are. Am is used with only with I. I එක විතරයි මේ යොදන්නේ. Is used only with singular noun. Is යොදන්නේ ඒක වචනත් එක්ක විතරයි. ඒක වචන නාමපදත් එක්ක. Are is used with plural nouns and ඒ වගේම youth එක්කත් are use කරනවා. එහෙනම් අපි shall we move to the next slide? Just here. Yes, now you can fill these blanks. I here, what's the answer? I a doctor. I, yes, am is only we use am with I. Am here I nisa. I can be verb එක තමයි am. We here we plural. Here be verbs. We are students of Southern Province. Here he is singular. So be verb is. He is 10 years old. Here singular. So here is. Here plural. They good friends. They are good friends. She singular. So she is happy. Here you එක්ක අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ ඔබලට දෙකටම ඉංග්‍රීසි වලදී plural ගන්නට යන්නේ youth එක්ක එන්නේ are. You are a clever boy. Yes, now look at this slide. What your name? එතකොට බලන්න ඕන අපි මෙතන questions words නේ නේද? හරි. මේ blank එකෙන් පස්සේ එන noun එක දිහා බලන්න. Your name, not you. Your name. ඔබගේ නම. Singular. නේද? එහෙනම් singular නම් එන be verb එක is. Yes. What is your name? Here, where are you going? You. Here, noun is you. So we use are with plurals, you and plural nouns. Yes. Here, the answer must be are. Here, how old you? So, you එක්කෙන be verb එක තමයි are. Yes, good. How old are you? The post office. Where the post office? The post office is singular. නේද? ඒක වචනයක්. තැපැල් කාර්ය. So here be verb, it cannot be am, it cannot be are because this is singular. So singular is. Yes. Where is the post office? what they doing. Yes, they, plural. So are is used only with plurals, you and plural. Where he going? He is a singular noun. So here is. How old? She singular. So be verbs is. Where Nadana going? Yes, Nadana. Nadana is a name of a girl. So one girl, a girl. So here singular. Singular. Where is Nadana going? Good. Here there are some questions in these questions I added to the slides from the scholarship examination papers, past grade 5 scholarship examination papers. So here 2019 grade 5 scholarship examination. Oh, yes, this is a question. Yes, here this car is small a. පිළිවෙලට තියෙන්නේ නේද? එහෙනම් ඔයාලට මේක ඕඩර් එකකට රීඅරේන්ජ් කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? ඔව් this ඒ වගේ මේ question එක තියෙන්නේ this කියන structure එකට නේද? this කියන්නේ singular නේ. this එක එන්නේ මොකද්ද? singular be verb එක. yes, this was here තව එකක් තමයි මෙතන සාමාන්‍යයෙන් sentence එක starting letter එක capital නේ. එකත් දැනගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට here this first one is this, then be verb, this second be verb එක what's the be verb? It cannot be are, it cannot be am. නේද? this, yes, is. Next, a small car. This is a small car. Yes. Here 2018 question. එකත් rearrange කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. You have to rearrange the question. Yes, here drinking am I water. So here we in English in active voice subject must come first. Oh here, yes, where is the subject? කරන කෙනා. Yes, here I. Yes, now I. Yes, I. Then I එක්කෙන අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා I එක්ක එන්න ඕන be verb එක කවුද? am the is the other. Yes, am is only used with I. එහෙනම් I ගාවට වෙන්න ඕන be verb එක තමයි I am. Then verb එකේ ඊළඟ form එක නේ. I the English වලදී subject එක ගාට verb එකනේ නේ. ඒතර verb එකට කලින් help මේක ආවනේ be verb. I am drinking ඉතිරිය water. I am drinking water. Yes, good. Here 2016 grade 5 scholarship examination. Yes, here where blank is are you going? You have to underline the correct answer. So yes, here මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්නයකදී මොකක්ද බලන්න ඕනේ? මේ this is a question words. WH question words. So here අපි බලන්න ඕනේ blank එකට මෙහා පැත්තේ තියෙන noun එක නේද? ඔව් noun එක you. ඔව් එහෙනම් අපි දන්නවා we use are with you and plural nouns. එතකොට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලදී you කියන්නේ බහුවචන ගන්නට නේද? එහෙනම් you එක්ක එන්නේ be verb එක am තුත් නෙමෙයි is තුත් නෙමෙයි. එහෙනම් what's the answer? Where are? You have to underline are. Where are you? Very simple question. 2016. Yes, here 2015. This is also a structure. This is structure. This. No, this. Here capital. Here sorry. Make a blank. This my bag. My bag. My bag means singular. Yes, it cannot be are. So singular noun. So it must be is. This is my bag. This is my bag. Yes, very good. Yes, now These are the be verbs. You have as grade 5 students, you have to learn these three be verbs. There are other forms of be verbs, but in as a grade 5 students, you have to learn these three be verbs. Yes, again I'll show you. Am, is, are. Am, is, are. Am is used only with I. Is used only with singular nouns. Are is used only with you and plural nouns. තේරුණා නේද? am යොදන්නේ I එක විතරයි. is යොදන්නේ ඒක වචන එක විතරයි. are යොදන්නේ youth එක්ක ඔබ කියන එකත් එක්ක බහුවචන එක විතරයි. නේද? හරි. එහෙනම් ඔයාලයි grade 5 pupils book එකේ page number 91 වල තියෙනවා do the activity in your pupils book page number 91. එහෙනම් අන්නේ 91 එකේ තියෙනවා question එක. මේ page එක ඔයාලයි writing book එකේ මේ activity do this activity. Do the activity in your pupils book page number 91. Okay. Yes. Now today this is the end of our lesson today. Today we learned about be verbs. Yes. What are the be verbs? Is, am, are. Am is used only with I. Is used only with singular nouns, and are is the be verb are is used only with you and plural verbs. Okay. Goodbye, children.